Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we are here at Taramps and we got a box straight from the factory. We're gonna open it up and see what's inside. So, let's open this up really quickly. Okay, so let's check out what's inside. So we first have Smart 3 base. Lots of power and reliability for you. So we're gonna open this up right now. Okay, Smart 3 base. So it comes with a sticker. This is the Smart 3 base. It's a subwoofer amplifier, lots of technology inside, power control system, which means it's stable from 0.5 to 2 ohms. Okay, so lots of power and reliability for you. That's Taramps, always innovating. So let's take this plastic off now. What a beauty. Okay, it comes with a clip monitor, Smart 3 base. Here we got the power connectors, 2 fans, preamp settings, crossovers, RCA inputs, and speaker outputs. This is the clip monitor connector, Smart 3 base, straight from the factory for you. This is the EQ base, guys. This is the latest release here at Taramps. So we're gonna take a look at this product and see what's inside. Okay, so it's nice. You got a sticker here. You can stick it in your car or in your system. Okay, so this is the EQ base. You might be wondering what this is, and I'm going to tell you right now what this is. Okay, so basically the EQ base is a product that allows you to have all the preamp settings of your amplifier at your fingertips. Okay, so here we got the main knob, which basically works as a bass knob. And then we got the bass boost, frequency. There's 2 buttons, these 2 knobs are for the bass boost. And then we have crossover knobs, subsonic, low pass filter, and limiter, okay? This is a very nice product to have if you want to do the settings, the preamp settings of your amplifiers from your driver's seat. Okay guys, so these were the 2 products we had today from the factory. So Smart 3 base and the EQ base, okay? Soon we're gonna have more boxes coming from the factory, so we'll be happy to show you, okay? Please visit us at www.taramps.com.br and check out all your products. Thank you for watching.